Patrick at Pals. Well, we've been talking about distributors, small cap, large cap, springs that set it for the timing curve, bushings that limit the timing curve. All of these things work together. And usually you need a timing light to time the engine when you put all this together. And then you have to change the springs manually, and you have to change the bushings manually to change the amount of advance. Well, what if you had a distributor that didn't work like that? What if you had a distributor that worked off of a map sensor and gave you the absolute timing, and that was programmable from your phone? Wouldn't that be incredible? So if you wanted 18 degrees initial advance, 20 degrees built in for a total of 38, and 12 degrees for your vacuum, wouldn't that be wonderful if you had a distributor that did that? Well, turns out we do. It's called a progression distributor. It's mounted in this vehicle. In the next episode, I'm going to get out my iPad, and I'm going to show you how the timing table works without a timing light. You can be sitting in the driver's seat, change your timing, and change the curve anywhere that you want it. This is good stuff, folks. This will revolutionize how you set the timing in your car. If you've got a distributor and you want state-of-the-art equipment, bring it to Pals. We'll take care of you. See you soon.